We often do things to gain attention, love, and care from the people around us. We often expect to be loved by our close ones. But how many of us really think the same way which we expect from others about ourselves? Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeocare Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor. And you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is self-love. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press the bell icon now and stay notified. Love comes with acceptance and acceptance comes with realization. Realization of yourself requires time. But how many of us really give that much time to yourself? We might spend the whole day thinking of the person we fell in love. But how many of us spend time thinking of themselves? Now, what does really thinking about yourself mean? It means caring for the choices that you make. It means prioritizing yourself. It means protecting your mind from the unwanted conflicts. It means protecting your body from the unhealthy habits and following healthy habits. All these things together means self-love. We often run behind temporary pleasures and materialistic things and forget ourselves. We often want to be accepted by the crowd when we aren't able to accept ourselves. Self-love starts with accepting yourself the way you are. No matter if you're dark, fat, short or poor, you just love yourself the way you are. It does not mean not realizing your flaws or not improving your flaws. It means realizing, accepting your flaws and improving your flaws for yourself. Flaws are that part of your life which causes you trouble, which you think are your drawbacks and not what people tell you that you have these flaws. Self-love is the first step towards self-sufficiency. Once you start accepting and loving yourself the way you are, your need and dependency on others for love, care and pampering starts decreasing. Now you're more comfortable with your own company. Now you're less affected by the behavior of others. This way you realize that nothing else matters but your own happiness. If you aren't comfortable and happy with your own self, how can you expect somebody else to be happy with you? On the other hand, if you love yourself, then won't it create a loving vibe around you? Self-love might seem selfish to some people. But my friends, only a happy soul can keep others happy. And the ultimate way to happiness is if your happiness lies within yourself. This one quality of self-love can give you immense happiness and peace. And then you're ready to love others without expecting anything in return. My friends, after watching this video, don't only think but start loving yourself today. Start pampering yourself, caring for yourself, start giving yourself time. Start having a healthy lifestyle. Remember, people will care only if you care. I hope you found this video useful. For any further queries, you can contact me on the below given details. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know in comment section if you want a specific video to be made on a specific topic. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay notified every Monday.